make some noise. The song's called Make Some Noise. I'm hyper. I always got 4 checks by my name in elementary. So here we go. This goes out to all the boys. I told you once, I'm gonna make some noise. I'm gonna holler out the top of my name. I'm gonna go off shit, knock you out your frame. I'm gonna make all kinds of noise. I'll cause a ruckus. I know what shit I always say. Fuck this, but I'm gonna say it just like one time. I'm just all psyched. I make noise all the time. When I rhyme, when I kick up dust, I make up all this noise. I know I bust. Huh? Have you heard the 16 win the 100 round? Have you know that fucking sound? It's for clowns when they hit that ground noise I make. Cause men are not boys and they're not fake. They're for real, bitch. And they are not actors. And always stunting is always a factor. So you got to make some noise to fucking promote. Do you wanna pay a nigga on IG a C-note to promote for you? Cause you're just so whack. Oh, you don't make no noise, and that's a fact. And then when you do, you just are on a comment. You never made noise, cause you couldn't even bomb it. You never ever fucking dropped that bomb. You were never fucking clever. You never had no charm. You always had to just fucking say something negative, cause you're not creative. You cannot live, and you're not positive. I told you what shit. You're a bitch. You'll never get rich, just like me. Huh? Cause you're never psyched out. You're not a G, brah. You don't even know that letter. You follow the trends of trendsetters. You don't like G's who are just like me. Cause you're just a rat after that fucking cheese. But watch out for that fucking trap. Cause you know it could be found in gangsta rap. You could go for those dollars, but you just not a scholar. Cause you don't know about the streets, you just holler shit on a podcast. You make that noise. You don't hang with men, you hang with boys. And your voice, it's just not hard. And everything you say to be a star, you make that noise. We all know. Cause you are just that fucking IG hoe. You make that noise.
Grammarly does